I watched this weed completely shrivel up in under 2 hours. And I used nothing but stuff from my kitchen cupboard. No chemicals, no expensive products, no protective gear. Just 3 ingredients you already have at home, and the results genuinely shocked me. If you've ever cleaned up your garden, your driveway, or your path, and then watched the weeds grow back thicker just days later, then you need to see this. Here's the frustrating truth about weeds. They don't just come back, they come back stronger. It's like the more you fight them, the more stubborn they get. And most people eventually give in and reach for chemical sprays, which work, but then you've got another problem. You can't use them near your plants, near your soil, near your kids, near your pets. The instructions are a minefield. I was stuck in exactly that position until I stumbled across something so simple, I almost didn't believe it would work. Experienced gardeners have been using this method for years. It costs almost nothing. And when you mix it correctly and apply it at the right moment, the weeds start dying almost in front of your eyes. Let me show you exactly how to make it. And more importantly, the 2 mistakes most people make that stop it from working properly. First, vinegar. And this part matters. You want 15% strength or higher. Standard kitchen vinegar won't cut it. It's usually only 5%. Get the stronger stuff, often sold as cleaning vinegar. Use 300 milliliters of it. Add 100 milliliters of water. The vinegar is your main weapon. It attacks the surface of the leaf and starts drying it out almost immediately. Now add a good pinch of salt. Salt pulls moisture directly out of the plant and speeds up the whole drying process. This is where you start to see a real difference compared to just using vinegar alone. Before we go on, drop a comment below and tell me where your weeds are worst. Paving, borders, gravel, I want to know. Now here's the step most people skip, and it makes all the difference. Add a small squeeze of washing up liquid or any mild soap. Just a little. Without it, the mixture just runs straight off the waxy surface of the leaf. The soap acts as a sticker. It helps everything cling to the plant so the ingredients can actually do their job. Finally, mix everything well and put it into a spray bottle. Don't skip this step. Now for the 2 rules you cannot ignore. First, spray directly onto the weed leaves only. Don't let it soak into the soil and keep it away from plants you want to keep. Vinegar and salt together will damage your soil if you overdo it. Second, timing is everything. Do this in the strongest sunlight of the day. The heat supercharges the effect. Apply it on a cloudy day or in the evening, and you'll get half the result. Wait for peak sun. You should start to see wilting within a few hours. By the next morning, the difference will be dramatic. 3 ingredients, less than $1 to make, and results that honestly surprised me the first time I tried it. Give it a go this week. If this was useful, hit the like button. It genuinely helps me know what to make more of. And subscribe if you want more no-nonsense garden and home tricks. I post regularly, and it costs you nothing. See you in the next one on Make This Trap Once and Never Deal with Mosquitoes Again.